We got another heat wave on the way. Let's check in on some different peppers. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Thursday to you all. Thursday 16th of July 2026, and it's day 151 of the chili crop. It's about 28 degrees. Nice breeze, but whew, it is warm. A bit too warm, anyhow. Eh? Sure is, isn't it? So yeah, they need water again. Honestly, just moving them around a little bit. I'm going to say half of them into the backyard. Just because I need a bit of breathing space. I can rotate them, switch them around and that, but I think at the moment we need to space them out a little bit, but also not have them too exposed to the idle hands out here. But yeah, let's have a look at the striped peppers today, like the Sugar Rush and the Zebrange. We'll check through them all and of course give everybody some water and move a few in the back. But other than that, hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a wonderful week and a wonderful Thursday. Same, me and Lucy are just enjoying the sun, but we do need our little shade breaks, you know. Hope you're doing well, everybody. Let's do this. Let's start day 151. So yeah, madam, are you ready for your egg? Yeah, can I get a pour? Thank you. Enjoy. Right, start off with a Zebrange. Just starting to show new flowers. Looking good. No pods just yet on any of the striped peppers. But so far so good on this Zebrange. A second Zebrange. This one's a lot more productive. We've got flowers here. Nicely bloomed. Everything's looking nice. Lots going on in the middle. Like I said, no pods. This one didn't have a copper coil and this one does. Is it making a difference? I mean, there's more production, but again, time will tell on the Zebrange. Here's another Zebrange. Looking lovely. No flowers yet. Oh no, there is. There we go, look. It's on the bottom there. Lovely stem. Doing good on the third Zebrange. Here's a Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Got lots of new flowers forming. Doing good. Lots of flowers, looking great on the Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. And another Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Again, looking lovely. New flowers starting to show. Lots going on down the middle. There's a flower in the back there. Lovely stuff. The Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Second one is the third. Looking lovely too. Not seeing any flowers yet, but looking alright. Third Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. And here's the fourth. Again, looking great. Starting to just see some flowers. Some little buds starting to show. Looking alright. The 4 Sugar Rush Peach Stripeys. So there we go. That wraps up day 151. I want to thank you all for joining us all today. It means the world to Lucy and I. If you're enjoying this, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Daily vlogs from seed to harvest for you. Yeah, there's a bit more space. Make it a bit more spacious. But yeah, everything's looking good, I think. We'll check some more tomorrow. Quick check up on the cayennes. They're looking beautiful, as you can see. And of course our ghost peppers there. Marvellous. Make sure you take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I. Because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday. And a great week. We'll see you tomorrow, okay? See you Friday for day 152. Thank you. Bye-bye.